Good afternoon, AdventureSparks. So we are here today at the Enjo Campsite. We didn't take any footage yesterday because there was not much that happened besides this with the sheep. Oh.
Do you see the little coloured one? The brown one? The brown one, yeah.
Other than that, not much happened. We were literally at camp doing nothing. We went up to the main house quite a few times, or not actually quite a few times, maybe twice, because you can get Wi-Fi there. So we went there. Mom was cross-stitching because it's quite comfortable up there. Beautiful patio where you can just sit and be around. And now today, again, we're not doing anything. There's not much to do here. It's a beautiful campsite. You can go for walks, but there's really not much to do here. So you kind of just chill, sit around and do nothing. The cool thing that did happen last night though was that with all the rain that we drove through in part 2 of our videos, or part 3, which was the roads that look like this. All that rainwater washed down, and we managed this morning to see this river fill up and flow through. That's now here literally by the campsite. So that was pretty cool. It looked like this. And then we also just did some washing today. That's all behind us. And now we are busy making Babooti for lunch. Over here, Dad's busy getting it ready in our makeshift oven. And other than that, we just taking it slow.
What's the best approach to take a video?
Good morning, AdventureSparks. So today is our last day at the camp that we're at Elio, and we have just finished having coffee this morning. We're now getting ready to go for a swim. So yeah, most of the people from the camp have left already. The camp is pretty much empty, or pretty much empty. I'll say that it's just us here at the moment. So we are just going to take a chill today like we've been doing, kind of just walking to where the other people are camping just to see what their campsite looks like. But yeah, we're gonna go swim now, take the rest of the day chilled, slow. We're gonna start packing today because obviously when we left for our this road trip that we're on at the moment, we packed so that we didn't really have to stop along the way for food and stuff. We packed that we knew we were ready for this camp, and that we didn't have to look for anything, buy anything, worry about that. So we filled top, ready to go. And there's that. With that being said, obviously now as we've gone through the trip, we've eaten a lot of the food, we've drunk a lot of the water, so the cars have gotten lighter, but also the packing spaces that we had packed full, essentially like the boxes, they are all empty. And so we just need to repack the boxes for tomorrow, because if we repack it properly and nicely, we can make our lives easier for number one, the next camp or our last stop on this trip, as well as unpacking at home, because then we can have maybe 90% of the boxes empty, so we just sort of pull them out, wipe them out, and then put them back in the vehicle or pack them away in our cupboards, and basically just packing out the last few things in the drawers. So let's go have a swim. Let's go swim.
Tony, you actually train in India. That's what I'm trying to get out. Did you guys see? So this was You take pictures,
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's like a 3-sleeper.
That's so cool.
This is actually pretty impressive. So in theory they could put another layer on there and put another bed up there if they want. Yeah. Sounds like that's what.
Alright, so just come back from the swimming pool, just changed into dry clothes. I am now heading up to the main house where there's Wi-Fi, just to quickly get some Wi-Fi, because college life got an assignment that is due on Thursday and I haven't started. So I'm gonna start with that and then go back to camp. Alright, so we are finally done here at camp, or I'm done with my assignment. Managed to also get some editing done, which is also always very nice. So now I'm on my way back down to camp. It's been quite a while. I mean, it's now currently 2 minutes past 4 in the evening, and I started at like 11 o'clock. So it's taken me quite a while, but managed to get so much done. So we're gonna head back down to camp now. I want to go hop in the pool one last time for a little bit of a swim, and then from there basically just chill the rest of the evening. We're going to be braaiing tonight. We're going to be having kasla and braaibroodjies, and with some 3-bean salad, and basically just go from there, no rush.
It's a lot. We still got belly full prawns that we barely.
So we're right now back at camp. Got myself a brandy and coke, and we've got the fire that started right there. We're about to all go just sit around the fire. But like now my dad and I were talking about the trip and every place we stopped so far, and it's actually really incredible when you think about it, how far we've traveled, where we've gone, and the people we've met along the way. That for us was the most amazing and incredible thing, is the people that you meet along the way, in the most what some would consider desolate and hot and is uninhabitable, for the want of a better word, and you meet the most amazing people at these places, and find the most amazing campsites. And it was actually really cool. We managed to see Kyle, one of our friends, who also has a YouTube channel called Simply Overlanding. If you like what we do, where we tour South Africa, tour South Africa, go check them out. The link is down below in the description. The YouTube channel and Instagram channel also is up here if you want to go look at check them. They've also got an amazing and incredible ultimate touring beast of a vehicle, so go check them out. But yeah, it's been an amazing trip, and I can't wait to do one like this again. So we just finished talking to one of the owners. Got the fire going down there, and then we've got dinner. some
The
custard.
plates there, please. I need to cut this open.
Baboot's. Alright, so we've just finished with dinner. Mom, Dad, Matthew and Michael are still outside. They just having some Jarapico. I had my Jarapico and I'm in the tent right now because tomorrow we've got a long journey ahead of us. We've got 4 hours in total from here to our next campsite, which is Carducci. But we are going to stop in Klein Willem and we're going to stop in Wuppertal. And what we also want to do is we're going to go down the 17 k's from here to the Doorns Rivier, and have a coffee there. So we're going to go the Doorns Rivier and then from there come back Wuppertal and then Klein Willem and then Carducci, and in total from here to the Rivier is going to be about there and back an hour and a half, and then from here to Wuppertal is going to be another hour. We're going to spend an hour in Wuppertal, and then from Wuppertal to Klein Willem is about an hour and a half, and then from there to we're going to spend about an hour in Klein Willem, and then from Klein Willem to Carducci is another hour and a half. So we're looking at, call it in total, we estimating about a 6-hour drive. So I decided I want to get into bed early, get some sleep, and then be ready for tomorrow, especially with the long drive we're going to have. And I'm pretty tired from today because I had the assignment that I did. It's been a long day, so I'm going to head to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of AdventureSparks. If you enjoyed what we do and want to see more of what we do, please hit the like and subscribe button. We're trying to hit 150 subscribers by the end of the year, so please help us hit that, and we'll see you in the next episode. Cheers guys.